Welcome to our comprehensive guide on planning your perfect luxury wellness retreat, designed to rejuvenate your body and transform your life. Let's dive into how to make your retreat as enriching and fulfilling as possible. First, let's talk about defining your wellness goals. What do you hope to achieve with this retreat? Whether it's reducing stress, enhancing fitness, or deepening spiritual connections, having clear, specific goals is crucial. This clarity will help guide your choices, ensuring every element of the retreat aligns with your personal aspirations. Think about what success looks like for you and set measurable targets to help track your progress. Choosing the right time for your retreat can significantly enhance your experience. Consider the climate of your chosen destination, as your comfort is key. Also, think about local events that could enrich your stay. Make sure this aligns with your personal schedule. Being free from work or family commitments will allow you to fully immerse yourself without distractions. Researching your destination is more than just picking a place. Whether it's a tranquil beach, a serene forest, or a secluded mountaintop, your location should reflect your wellness goals. Dive into travel blogs, reviews, and wellness tourism websites to gather information. Look into the facilities and available wellness programs to find a spot that promises relaxation and meets your wellness needs. When booking, scrutinize what each package offers. Compare different packages, not just by their costs, but by their value. Understand what's included in the price and if there are any hidden costs. Does the retreat offer personal consultations or tailored meals? Knowing these details will help you choose the package that best fits your needs. Preparing for the retreat is key to enjoying your time there. Adjust your diet, sleep, and exercise routines to align with what you'll be doing on the retreat. Packing effectively is also crucial. Bring clothes suitable for the activities you'll participate in and any personal care items that will make your stay comfortable. To get the most out of your retreat, engage fully. Participate in all scheduled activities, try new experiences, and consider a digital detox, disconnecting from your digital devices to connect more deeply with yourself and your surroundings. Keep a journal throughout your retreat to reflect on your experiences and track progress towards your goals. Once your retreat ends, the real challenge begins, integrating what you've learned into your daily life. Establish routines at home that mimic the beneficial practices from your retreat. Whether it's daily yoga, meditation, or maintaining a balanced diet, these practices can help prolong the positive effects of your retreat. Lastly, share your journey. Whether through a blog post, social media pictures, or discussions with friends, sharing your experience can inspire others and help you reflect on your journey. It also spreads the word about the benefits of wellness retreats and deepens your appreciation of your experiences. Remember, the path to wellness is both a journey and a destination. Start planning your perfect wellness retreat today and transform your life one step at a time. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on planning your ideal wellness journey. See you next time.